Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start the video, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and check your subscriber list. By the way, I do not have a lot of subscribers. I only have 11, and so you guys are not going to see, like, you might only see one person. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. All you have to do is go ahead and press on yourself. And then you go ahead, you press YouTube Studio. By the way, this only works on computers. Okay, so that's where we are right now. Next thing you want to press is Create Studio Classic. And you're just going to press skip. If you want to fill it up, you can. Then we're right over here. Okay, so this is the channel. I have 180 views and 11 subscribers. And then after, you want to go to community. And you're going to go ahead, if you can see this, subscribers. Do not go to community. If you go to community, it's not going to give you anything. So underneath, you're going to see subscribers. And here is the most recent, sister, and most popular. So I only have her. Shout out to her. She only got 10 subscribers, so shout out to her. So yeah, that's how you do it. So you go ahead and see your subscribers. I don't think you can see more than 11. You could, yeah, you can. You just have to, like, the most recent. So this is how you see your most recent subscribers. So that's how you guys do it. So yeah. I guess all you gotta do, YouTube Studio, back to YouTube Studio. So when you're in YouTube Studio, you go to YouTube Studio from my name over there, your name actually. So you press this, you go to YouTube Studio, it's supposed to show you there. And then you go Create Studio Classic, skip. And you go to Community. And then you go Subscribers. So that's how you guys do it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next shot. Okay guys, the shout out goes to Ella. Please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.